5 groundbreaking business innovations set to dominate the next 5 years. In an era where technology and consumer preferences evolve at an unprecedented pace, identifying and investing in innovative business ideas has never been more crucial. As we stand on the cusp of a new age, certain visionary concepts are poised to redefine the landscape of entrepreneurship and consumer interaction over the next 5 years. From enhancing personal wellness to revolutionizing how we engage with products and services, these emerging trends encapsulate the spirit of innovation and adaptability. Among these promising ventures, virtual reality (VR) fitness experiences offer an immersive way to stay fit, merging the digital and physical realms to create engaging workout environments. Meanwhile, personalized nutrition and meal delivery services promise to revolutionize dietary habits, tailoring meals to the unique health needs and preferences of each individual. In the realm of fashion, sustainable practices and clothing rental platforms are making strides, advocating for environmental responsibility, while satisfying the modern consumer's desire for variety and style. Urban logistics are set to transform as well, with drone delivery services promising faster, more efficient delivery solutions for city dwellers. Lastly, the rise of AI-powered customer service chatbots heralds a new era of customer interaction, blending efficiency with a personalized touch. This introduction explores these 5 innovative business ideas, each harboring the potential to thrive and dominate in the near future. We'll uncover the challenges and opportunities they present, illustrating how they're not just fleeting trends, but viable pathways to a more efficient, sustainable, and personalized future. The fusion of technology and fitness has given birth to an exhilarating new domain: virtual reality (VR) fitness experiences. This innovative approach to exercise harnesses the immersive power of VR to create engaging, interactive workout sessions that not only promise fun but also deliver tangible health benefits. By donning a VR headset, users can transport themselves to virtual environments that motivate physical activity beyond the confines of traditional gym walls. Whether it's cycling through picturesque landscapes, engaging in a high-intensity battle with virtual opponents, or practicing yoga on a serene beach, VR fitness offers a variety of experiences, tailored to individual preferences and fitness levels. The appeal of VR fitness lies in its ability to combine the elements of gamification and exercise, making workouts feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. This aspect is particularly attractive to the tech-savvy generation that values immersive experiences and digital interaction. Furthermore, VR fitness programs can be customized to cater to specific fitness goals, ranging from weight loss and cardiovascular improvement to muscle building and flexibility enhancement. Despite its potential, VR fitness faces challenges such as the need for space to move freely, the initial cost of VR equipment, and the development of content that keeps users engaged over time. However, as VR technology becomes more accessible and content variety expands, virtual reality fitness experiences are poised to become a staple in the fitness industry. This revolutionary approach not only stands to make fitness more enjoyable, but also has the potential to reach individuals who might otherwise find traditional exercise environments intimidating or monotonous. In an age where health consciousness is at an all-time high, personalized nutrition and meal delivery services are carving out a significant niche in the wellness industry. These innovative services blend the latest in nutritional science with sophisticated algorithms to offer meal plans tailored to the unique health requirement, dietary preferences, and fitness goals of each individual. By taking into account factors such as age, weight, activity level, and even genetic predispositions, these services aim to optimize health outcomes and support a healthier lifestyle. What sets personalized nutrition apart is its precision. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, it provides individuals with the tools to understand their bodies better and make informed dietary choices. This customization extends to meal delivery services, where meals are not only designed to meet specific nutritional needs, but are also prepared using high-quality ingredients and delivered straight to the consumer's door. This convenience is a game-changer for busy professionals, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to improve their dietary habits without the hassle of meal planning and preparation. The market for personalized nutrition and meal delivery is ripe for growth, driven by increasing awareness of the importance of diet in health and well-being, and the rising demand for convenience. However, challenges such as ensuring privacy and data protection, maintaining affordability, and meeting diverse dietary requirements must be navigated carefully. As technology and understanding of human nutrition advance, personalized nutrition and meal delivery services are set to revolutionize the way we think about food and health. They offer a promising avenue for individuals to achieve their health and wellness goals with unprecedented ease and personalization. Sustainable fashion and clothing rental platforms are emerging as transformative forces in the apparel industry, addressing the urgent need for environmental stewardship, while catering to the modern consumer's desire for variety and style. These innovative business models challenge the traditional fast fashion paradigm by promoting the reuse of garments, thus significantly reducing waste and the carbon footprint associated with the production and disposal of clothing. Clothing rental platforms allow individuals to access a wide range of fashion items for a fraction of the purchase price, offering a sustainable alternative to buying new. This not only enables consumers to experiment with different styles and trends without the commitment of a purchase, but also encourages a more circular fashion economy by extending the life cycle of garments through sharing and reuse. These platforms help lessen the demand for new production, conserving resources and reducing environmental impact. Sustainable fashion brands take this ethos a step further by focusing on ethical production practices, using eco-friendly materials, and ensuring fair labor conditions. These brands appeal to a growing segment of consumers who are not just looking for quality and style, but also want their purchases to reflect their values concerning environmental and social responsibility. Despite the promise, the path to widespread adoption of sustainable fashion and clothing rental platforms are fraught with challenges, including overcoming consumer skepticism about the quality and cleanliness of rented clothing, and convincing shoppers to prioritize sustainability over convenience and cost. However, as awareness grows and attitudes shift, sustainable fashion and clothing rental platforms are poised to play a crucial role in the evolution of the apparel industry towards a more responsible and conscious model. Drone delivery services for urban areas represent a cutting-edge solution to the challenges of last-mile logistics, promising to revolutionize urban delivery with unprecedented speed and efficiency. By taking to the skies, drones bypass congested streets and traffic jams, delivering goods directly to customers' doorsteps or designated drop-off points in a fraction of the time traditional methods require. This not only enhances customer satisfaction through faster delivery times, but also contributes to reducing the carbon footprint of delivery networks. By substituting road vehicles with electric-powered drones, the potential benefits of drone delivery in urban environments are vast, including improved access to goods, especially in areas where conventional delivery services may be limited or slow. For businesses, drones offer a cost-effective way to enhance logistics, reduce delivery times, and meet the increasing consumer demand for instant or same-day deliveries. Furthermore, during times of crisis or in situations where infrastructure is compromised, drones can play a critical role in ensuring the continuity of supply chains. However, the deployment of drone delivery services faces significant regulatory, safety, and privacy hurdles. Navigating complex urban airspaces, ensuring drones do not pose a risk to public safety, and addressing concerns about noise and privacy are paramount for the successful integration of drones into urban delivery networks. Despite these challenges, pilot programs and investments by major companies indicate a strong belief in the future of drone delivery. As technology advances and regulatory frameworks evolve, drone delivery services are set to become an integral part of the urban landscape, offering a swift, sustainable, and innovative solution to meet the demands of the modern city. AI-powered customer service chatbots are redefining the landscape of customer interaction, offering businesses a powerful tool to enhance service efficiency and personalize the customer experience. By leveraging artificial intelligence, these chatbots can understand and process natural language, enabling them to respond to customer inquiries in real time, 24/7. This not only improves response times, but also ensures that customers receive immediate assistance, significantly boosting satisfaction and engagement levels. The versatility of AI chatbots extends beyond simple query resolution. They can conduct conversations, guide users through complex processes, provide personalized recommendations, and even handle transactions, covering a wide range of customer service functions with remarkable efficiency. This capability to manage multiple interactions simultaneously, without compromising the quality of service, represents a significant cost-saving opportunity for businesses, allowing them to allocate human resources to more complex tasks that require emotional intelligence and deep problem-solving skills. However, the implementation of AI chatbots comes with its set of challenges, ensuring that they can handle nuanced customer interactions without leading to frustration requires sophisticated AI programming and ongoing learning from customer interactions. Privacy and data security also emerge as critical concerns, as businesses must safeguard the personal information collected by chatbots during interactions. Despite these hurdles, the potential of AI-powered customer service chatbots is undeniable. As AI technology continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, these chatbots are expected to become even more integral to customer service strategies, offering personalized, efficient, and seamless customer experiences that are vital in today's competitive business environment. The emergence of these innovative business ideas highlights a broader shift in the global economic landscape towards sustainability, efficiency, and personalization. As we navigate through the complexities of the 21st century, it is evident that the future of business lies in embracing technology and innovation to meet the evolving needs and values of consumers. The integration of virtual reality in fitness, personalized nutrition, sustainable fashion, drone delivery, and AI-powered chatbots into mainstream business practices is not just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a commitment to creating a more sustainable, healthy, and connected world. The journey ahead for these pioneering concepts involves overcoming significant challenges, from regulatory hurdles and privacy concerns to technological limitations and market acceptance. Yet, the potential rewards, in terms of environmental sustainability, enhanced health outcomes, economic efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction, are immense. Success in these ventures will require a collaborative effort among innovators, investors, regulators, and consumers themselves, who must be willing to adapt to and embrace new ways of engaging with products and services. As we look to the future, the role of innovation in driving business success and societal progress has never been more critical. These 5 areas represent just the tip of the iceberg in what promises to be a dynamic evolution of the business world. The key to thriving in this new era will be a continuous commitment to innovation, adaptability, and a deep understanding of the changing global context in which we operate. Enjoyed the insights? Hit like and subscribe for more innovative updates.